Okay, so now I'm going to explain you how while loops work. So first we write while, and after that we write our condition. So we can't create an infinite loop from for loops because we have to give a range or an index or anything. But with while loop we could also create our infinite loop. How? It's like this. When I give a condition over here, it returns true or false. If the condition returns true, nothing happens. So the block inside it would be executed. And then again it would check the condition. And if it then also returns true, so it would again run until the value gives false. So if I write while loop when one what and loop the one brand I equals, let me create a variable name up, equals 0 I plus equals 1. I'm increasing the I by 1, and now you would see this value is increasing and increasing and increasing and increasing and increasing. It would keep increasing. Just watch. It's too low. How the counting of the thousands is also increasing. 50,000, 54, 55,000, 57,000, 59,000, 60,000, 61,000, 5, 66, 67, 68, 70,000. This would never end. And after some time, if I doesn't like exit the loop, so it would, my computer would be crashed. So I'm going to exit the loop. So that's how the while loops work. So if I create a variable, so I could now also add in condition while I is less than 10. And now I is increasing 1 by 1, so it works till 10, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is how while loop works. So the while loops, we can use while loops and for loops for every work, but the for loop is better and easier to use. So we would meet in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing.